Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at APE stock, and checking out the technical analysis and fundamental analysis for APE stock. I'm going to talk about my theories for APE, where I think APE is going, and look at the charts and see what the charts are telling me. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at APE stock. We're going to be looking at the fundamentals and technicals for APE. Now, if APE gets converted into AMC, all of this is irrelevant. If APE gets converted, you obviously are here for the arbitrage trade and you will make profit off of the arbitrage trade. But if it doesn't get converted, I do believe APE is going to run with AMC, and I believe AMC is about to go on a nice little run to the upside, and I think APE is going to follow it to an uptrend on the upside. I do think the bearishness for these stocks are ending, and they are going to go in an uptrend. Now, APE in the short to midterm is in this cup and handle pattern. As you guys can see, right here is the cup, right here is your handle, as you guys can see. And it's kind of forming almost like a cup and handle or double bottom at this point because it is such a large macro pattern, but it's still forming this cup and handle general shape. As you guys can see, we'll go ahead and look at a cup and handle pattern. As you guys can see, right here is your cup, right here is your handle, and you have your breakout line. So right here is our breakout line at $1.70. Right here's your cup, right here's your handle. So we need to get back above this $1.70 range to see this cup and handle shape play out. So if we get it back above $1.70, you could see a nice breakout to $2, $2.50, maybe even $3 for APE to the upside. This is a bottoming pattern showing that APE is forming a bottom here, and it will be pushing to the upside. So I don't think that APE will be coming back down to these lower lows at these cent ranges. I think it's going to be holding this $1.50 range, dollar range, and start moving to the upside. That is what I'm thinking in my personal opinion. Now, as far as how high APE can go, first price point I'd be looking at is this $3 price point. Next one is $5, and next is $10. If APE can get above $10, there is no telling how high this thing could go because there is no price action above there. But we do have resistance at $5 and $10, and it do think that APE will be coming up to test those resistances. If we go ahead and pop on some EMAs, and look on the bigger time frame, we can see that the EMAs are up here at about $5 and about $3. So I do expect APE to come up and test these EMAs here at some point on the bigger picture, on the macro picture. And as you guys can see, we do have this weekly time frame, MACD, which is bullish, and we're about to get a bullish cross into the monthly MACD into bullish territory, telling us that a bullish move is coming for this particular asset. Also, another indication that a move is coming for this asset is the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands getting very, very tight on the daily time frame, letting us know that volatility will be coming for the stock, and I think it is a nice pop to the upside as we are getting a daily MACD cross to the bullish side. And we have indications on the bullish side. If you go ahead and look at the super trend, you guys can see that we are getting buy signals on the smaller time frame here on the 2-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame we have recent buy signals that have just printed, letting us know that there's an uptrend about to start on APE. So I do think we're going to get in the short term a decent movement to the upside, start approaching this $1.70 range, and then if we can get to that $1.70 range, have a nice push to the upside from that point. So I am looking for significant upside on APE in my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and look at the fundamental data and see what we're looking at on APE as well. And I also want to point out something on the EMAs, that we are potentially going to get a golden cross here on the smaller time frames, which will lead to a golden cross on the larger time frames. But this is a bullish indicator. As you guys can see, we have this bullish 50 EMA, which is the 50 EMA, and then we have this white EMA, which is indicating a golden cross. Once the 50 crosses over the white, that is a golden cross, and that is a bullish indication, letting us know that there's going to be a movement to the upside. As you guys can see, we had one here, and we had this push up to the upside. Now, the higher the time frame, the better it is. As you guys can see, we had one here, and you had this push up to the upside, so we can get that here on the hourly time frame and have a nice push to the upside. Now, if that can transfer to the 2-hour time frame, we could have an even bigger run, in the 4-hour time frame, and an even bigger run. And it looks like the EMAs are close together, so if we do get more upside momentum, the EMAs will cross, and we will get that push on the 4-hour time frame, getting a golden cross on the 4-hour time frame, letting us know that we're going to have even more upside in the future. Also, MACD on the 4-hour time frame looking bullish because it is flipping bullish as well and in the bullish territory, letting us know that momentum is pulling to the upside, with the momentum indicator moving to the upside as well. So that is what I'm looking at for APE. Let's go ahead and check out the fundamental data and see what we're looking at. So APE has a crazy amount of FTDs. As you guys can see, the FTDs are due because T plus 35 closeout dates. They will be due here in the beginning of May, so that could give us bullish momentum and upside. And there's a crazy 45 million FTDs, absolutely insane number. And if these FTDs have to come home to roost in T plus 35, that could provide bullish momentum to the upside. I also think APE is going to be a huge mess for the shorts, because once the shorts realize that the conversion has not happened and the shorts and the FTDs won't be erased, they'll have to cover the FTDs and cover their shorts, making APE pop to the upside, because it's going to be a huge mess once they realize there's no arbitrage trade and they are in this for no reason. Cost to borrow for APE is a little bit rising right now. As you guys can see, it was at 5%, but it did go up today, up to 6.5%. So we are seeing it with a decent cost to borrow, but nowhere near like AMC. Failure to delivers are higher for APE, and short interest is lower for APE, but I did see it on Yahoo's most shorted stock list. So there might be hidden short interest behind closed doors that we can't necessarily see or that's reported. But right now you can see 5.61 short interest. I do think there is a lot more short interest on APE than we do think, because as you guys can see, as soon as it came out, they just shorted it right down. I do think there is a lot more short interest than we do have on record. But right now, for the official record, is 5.61 short interest for APE and 10 million shares available to borrow as of 3/14. So guys, this is what I have for you basically for APE. I do think we're going to see upside. I do think it's going to run with AMC. And if the conversion does happen to go through, which I don't think it is, you would get paid off of the conversion as well. But I don't think that's the route. What I think is going to happen is APE's going to end up moving to the upside with AMC, and we can make our money that way. So guys, this is what I'm looking at for APE stock. Hopefully you found this video informative. Guys, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord. It's absolutely free. We talk about trades, stocks all day long. So go ahead and join me. Link down in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Thank you for each and every one of you that comment, show love, and watch to the end. I truly appreciate it, and it means a lot to me. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.